Hey guys, in this tutorial we will fetch data from database of MySQL in PHP. In a previous part we have seen how to connect MySQL to PHP using this functions MySQL I connect. So let's write a query to fetch this data. Okay, currently we have one user in our user table. So let's put a connection. This is an object and call the method which is query, and inside a query we will write select all from table name, and our table name is users, and let's store inside a variable. So yeah, we have written this query to select all the data, and here we will write a code while loop php while loop to fetch all the users from here. So let's put it a while loop, while, and while should be close, and put it like this php and end while, and while loop just put it a data, and this is results and result, and call the method which is fetch ASSOC. This is function, and let's print if it doesn't have any problem, it will print all the datas php and print r. Control S for save, and let's refresh. So it's showing all the users, but we want this data in a table of HTML. So let's put it HTML table. Sorry, this is a table, so we don't need to put it HTML, just put it table, and table should be closed, and inside we want tr and td, and this is for id, and two more times we need to copy and paste for making fast, and id is just yeah, this one is for username, and created add, and created is all the fields is I'm putting from here, your id, username, password, created add. So inside a while loop we need to close this table it here, and here we will also put this data, but this time this will be not a th, this will be a td for table data, td, and inside we need a php tag like this, php and echo dollar data, and data which is this data, and id, name, username, and password. So let's put it id, and this id is exactly same this id, and next for username, let's copy and paste, this is for username, and this username is just this username, and last is for, we are not showing our password in a table. Okay, so for that we just escape this password and created it. So let's create it, add, control S for save. Okay, and let's remove this spaces, this is unnecessary space, let's remove, control S for save, and when you refresh it will shows sample data, right? So let's put it one here. Yeah, let's remove this one and put it a table border, and border is just one. This is I'm not putting css, just putting border one, it's not a css. Okay, so let's zoom in so you can see, and when we insert more users, it will be, let's copy the same data, copy, and this time I'm putting Rakesh and John and anything, you can add users. So now we have a 2 users. Okay, and when you refresh now, here is also a 2 users when you refresh. Okay, so it's pretty useful and pretty easy to fetch data from MySQL in PHP. Just remember, this while loop is very important. Okay, and you can get this source code. You can go through the link in a description and you will get this source code. So guys, if you like, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions and doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye, have a nice day.